This video, you're going to have to stop it and read the stuff in the middle of it, because each of these cars has its own racing heritage and the racer that raced them. These cars are at the American National Corvette Museum, and they're famous race cars and drivers. This apparently is a Bonneville Salt Flats car. Huh, and the writing above just disappeared. Oh, now go into a video and not telling us about each racer. So, I'm just going, please wait on the deals, so I can't tell you much about them.
It's almost an hour now we're on the C8. Finally, the stores bring it in Corvette. I'm ecstatic. I hope that it will do
Pretty hard on my video that
and I think it's really cool.
I remember these cars. They were a race series that was just stock Corvettes, and they had these wheels in '85 or something. This looks like a Callaway. And this is a Gran Turismo car, evidently designed after the racing game on PlayStation. This is a C5 motor out of the C5 Corvette are pictures around the display of the C5. This is a Falconer Special Edition 89 ZR1. Special wheels I've never seen, and the motor is totally over the top. Fancy, deluxe. Has special side vents. Also has a vent deal in the grille. Area cordoned off. We weren't supposed to come here. Got some sort of emblem there. Maybe Callaway. We got a Greenwood Corvette here. There was a time that I really wanted to build one of these because you could buy the kits. This is that same room we were just looking at. Another room cordoned off to us. The Mobile One car. I think that car is the one they used at Nuremberg. That looks like also a car that could have been at Nuremberg. And a 75 to 7. And I think that's the rear engine rotary maybe. Oh, it says rear engine. Please like and subscribe to my videos. Thank you. And who knows what this engine is, but whoa. Mobile gas station full of Corvettes back in the 50s and 60s. Not much to say, but pretty cool. This is the kind of an infamous 54 Corvette that was entombed back in the day, and here it is now. Stingray boys and girls bicycle. Or Corvette, I guess. The Stingray was the tall handled 20-inch. Split window. This particular one shows to be fuel injected, but doesn't have knockoffs. Silver with red interior.
Driven by design. My name is Tom Peters, and I'm a co-curator.
The Crosley sports car was kind of the first post-war sports car. They had the right idea, but if you thought the Corvette was slow, this car was slow. This is a 47 MG TC, credited as being the first production type sports car, and the soldiers loved these cars during the war, and lots of them brought them home, which gave Corvette or Chevrolet the logical to build a sports car. I couldn't figure out why this car was in the museum, but this is the first fiberglass car. And it's called a Scout concept car. And it's very cool, very ugly. This is a 53 Corvette, number 3 serial number. And it's in gorgeous condition, right? But once you get to the other side, not nearly so gorgeous. Shows you all the guts. But they did do a fine job of dissecting it. This room is full of brand new Corvettes waiting for the new owners to come and pick them up. When we were coming in, there was a whole lot full of cars also waiting for the owners to pick them up. I assume they come here for the last ditch cleaning before they go.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like that.
They haven't had any Z06s yet for customer pickup. We got a 70 Stingray, which they're giving Bill Mitchell credit for the Stingray. And this one is a beauty. It's a small block. And I love it. This is my favorite. Nothing else involved but looks. This is it. This is a race car that you actually get in and drive, and then all these screens here light up like you're on a racetrack. You're sitting in the car itself. It looks like father and son and this is going to do it. I think that I'll wait just a second and here it goes.
Push the gas all the way down. Just push the gas all the way down. There you go.
Oh, you get the idea.
Tests.
This is a B production factory race car. Wouldn't be surprised it went to Le Mans, but I didn't read about this. It's called the Sebring package, huh? If I had a 58 to 62 Corvette, I'd have to put those hood vents on my hood. Those are just too cool. I believe, even though the wheels don't look like it, I believe they are special. 15 by 7 maybe only 15 by 6. Walking around a Z06, belongs to the plant director of the GM assembly plant in Bowling Green. I say belongs to him, he gets to drive it. This is the Z06. The museum doesn't even have one.